This plant are used as some flavouring agents, as colorants, to build viscosity in soups. They also prevent bacterial overgrowth of food spoiling. It contains quercetin, catechins, vitamin C, vitamin E. Its kind of indigenous range is from Europe, North Africa, Western Asia and the Himalayas. Hi, one thing I just wanted to say about foraging, which has sort of become very popularised, especially since the pandemic, is that, you know, when you live in the city, foraging makes a lovely accompaniment to food. It connects us to nature. And if you live in more rural areas, it might be possible to actually, you know, pick substantial amounts of foraging plants. But a few people have approached me recently, and I've also seen a trend on social media where people are talking about tackling the cost of living crisis by foraging, which I just think is a bit problematic. Firstly, it's not dealing with the problems of capitalism, and that if there are food crises due to climate change, or due to poverty, or due to Brexit, or due to mismanagement of sustainable food practices, this is really an issue. And also to think that people could just eat greens all day and survive is a complete myth. I mean, most people who forage you know, rely on actual capitalist food systems to get their food. And I saw one society talking about what food crisis, you know, we have like all the things we need in the hedgerows. And I just thought this was quite a classist and privileged thing to say, because some people can't leave their houses. Also, not everybody knows how to identify safe foods, and also in many areas plants are contaminated with heavy metals or pollutants and effluents. Also, people need to eat more than herbs to sustain themselves. I think foraging is a beautiful thing. I think it's a really important activity to connect us to nature, but I also think to actually say that it's going to combat you know, flawed systems, food systems, is highly dubious and a bit frivolous. Thank you.